This is Ivan Bates. Just like Marilyn Mosby, just like Greg Bernstein, just like Scott Shellenberger, Ivan Bates is in office to incarcerate black Baltimore. Stop and frisk and zero tolerance. Ivan Bates, Sheila Dixon, y'all getting ready to reestablish Gov.O'Malley's mob machine. Well, I got news for you. Like I said, I was making a movie about y'all, and I used toilets to do it. All right? David Irwin from Irwin, Green, and Dexter wrote a letter in 2007 telling y'all that I was innocent of those charges that y'all keep putting in public view. And this is the letter. See that? That's David Irwin right here. My store on Falls Road. You've asked about my opinion whether you should be considered convicted on the 86 case. As a general matter, in my opinion, that case was reversed and remanded on appeal. That case was reversed and remanded on appeal, and I'm innocent of all charges. That's 2019. See who that is? Johnny Oleski, Department of Justice. U.S. Department of Justice. I am writing you in reference to Shorty Davis. All right? Johnny Oleski wrote me a letter. Westmorean opened his mouth, asking for the Department of Justice to investigate my kidnapping. That's the IRS. We talking about identity theft. All right? Identity theft. That's the IRS. Identity theft. And this is Chief Justice Barbera. All right? Chief Justice Barbera. That's a whistleblower. Baltimore City, Baltimore County, complaint number, officer, Baltimore City Police Commissioner Harris, he got this. Worley got this. Erek, Barron, Department of Justice got this. Mayor Brandon Scott got this. That's Judge Badar and Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I gave you a breakdown of your criminal enterprise. This is 2014. We talking about voter suppression by the state of Maryland. Voter suppression. You see that? Received 2014 State Board of Elections. All right? I was a registered candidate for governor of the state of Maryland. I was running for governor against the state of Maryland against Hogan. And y'all had me removed from the ballot. That's voter suppression. I'm using toilets because toilets is a form of protest. It's legal. And Vanessa Attenberry, she got this. This is what Vanessa Attenberry got. I gave Vanessa Attenberry this in 2020. Right here. That's TV1, Radio 1, Roland Martin, D.L. Hughley, W.H.U.R., Franksky. You see the names here? That's T.J. Smith, Charles Gibson, Gail King. I got mail receipts. Because making a documentary, and y'all not going to report this. Y'all going to keep this because you want to keep this war on drugs going. That's the letter from Johnny Oleski. Federal investigation, 5/8/2008, about your prison industry. 5/8/2008 to the present date. President Obama asked for an investigation. This is the property that you stole from me. All right? So, Ivan Bates, this is all on you. You can't use your position of power to protect the corruption in Baltimore. You can go to jail, too. They call that a RICO Act. Y'all make a lot of money off of black bodies. And you've been sitting in that office long enough. You was on the Judiciary Committee. You got this evidence. Evidence and knowledge. As a lawyer, you can lose your license. As a lawyer, y'all can go to jail. But I'm talking about toilets and prescription medication. We talking about opioids. We talking about all that. That's the state of Maryland Board of Elections. That's Johnny Oleski and Westmore. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? It's Veterans Day. Do you stand for me or do you stand for corruption?